I have the two kids of cheese, I definitely want to leave something behind for them. And I don't believe in just leaving, like a name. Never believe in that. Dime a dozen yung mga sikat. And then now I'm this year, 2 years, almost 3 years, I have started to reap the seeds that I've planted. So I just really want to make sure that I do everything I can to keep going. I am set to have, thank you so much, because of you guys, Heartworld has been a huge success. It's actually my very first project as also like a producer. So I also invested on that show, and bawi na po ako, in short. So I'm very, very happy. Over and beyond bawi na. So I can actually produce a good 2 more seasons. But for now, I feel like I'm just gonna do 1 more season, because lahat ng naipon ko from that, I'm gonna set aside for my goals in life. And then YouTube-wise, a lot of people are asking me about my YouTube. I am still figuring out. I have a team, and we're gonna see how paano namin ipipihit that will make it different from, because there was a time na nag-overlap, like YouTube and what you see on Heartworld nag-overlap. But as we've saved up, or as I've saved up, and parang my team and I have kind of reorchestrated the whole thing, bago na, you don't see now what you see on YouTube, you don't see what's on Heartworld, so it's totally different. And for the next season, basically, it's gonna be all like unseen footages and new episodes and stuff like that. So I'm very blessed to have a good team with me. TV side, social media side, and friends, my personal friends and team. So it's been a bit busy, because you have to make sure that you cover literally each angle, and have a great production team as well for that, for TV. So YouTube is gonna be different. So I'm gonna start filming YouTube episodes too. I'm excited for that. Heart, ano ba? Nag-IV ba ng gluta? No, I actually haven't done gluta IV in a long time. I tried to, because I do like bionutrients. That's like parang 25,000 injections ata yun. So kung meron pang ibang sasaksak sa katawan ko, parang hindi ko na kaya, mental breakdown na ako kasi dami na. But I do a Chemigo, which is like a whitening gluta, like for pagpa-fresh lang. Actually, it's not really whitening, parang glowing is more I like it. I just want to say thank you also to everybody who watches and supports Heartworld. It's my first actually talaga as a producer, and we've been doing very, very well thanks to you guys, to my fans, to my non-fans, to the just curious people around there. I'm so happy, because I'm bawi-bawi na. Hindi lang it's a tie, bumawi na. So, nakaka-excite, because I never really... Actually, ang inisip ko lang is, if I turn it into my YouTube, if I turn the material into a TV show, I just want like a good rollover of what I invested. But we're set. We're set for like 2 more seasons. That will cover travel expenses of everyone. That buo na siya. Pero for now, my decision siguro is just 1 more season for now, because it depends what I want to do or how I'd like to invest in the future. I was supposed to do the show for another thing, but the thing is, since I wanted to use old footage that I already filmed, I don't think like the requirements are the same. So, tsaka iba yung setup doon. Kumbaga, as a businesswoman, as somebody who pinagpaguran ko yun, I just really wanted to make sure that I get money back or have something else or more if I So, inuna ko na muna yung family. which is GME. So happy ako. And plus, I get to work with, like, Dirk Rico or directors that I used to work with, sila Marcy, ganyan, sila Buboy. I used to work with them, Party P. Party P pa director ko. I Believe, si Marcy, Star Talk. So, kilala na nila ako. So, I'm happy na we're all working together again for Heart World. So, sila yung katrabaho ko for that. What's my favorite perfume? Well, thanks to you guys, my favorite perfume is Mugler. Thanks to you guys, because that became viral, became a hit. I do love sharing what I personally love and stuff like that, and I'm so happy that you guys are also very adventurous to try out something that I like, and so far so good. I've been right, it's really good. Keep ko yun for a while because I believe in like having like a personal scent, but again, at the end of the day, it depends like your pH balance, kung ano yung bet nyo, and like it's different, it'll smell differently for each one but still have the same essential. Honey, that's an odd question. How rich is hard to want? I don't think I'm like crazy rich, like, I feel like it's also an aesthetic, I guess. But I've been, I'm okay. I'm fine. Like, I'm not siksik liglig, hindi naman siya balon. But I'm a risk taker, so hindi rin ako takot maglabas ng pera because I feel like if you're generous or parang hindi ka kuripot, kumbaga, and you help people, or not help, I don't wanna, naman, ayoko ng ganun. But if you share certain things, I feel like mas maluwag yung balik sa'yo. And my dad was the same thing, with, his friends or whatever, because he was into restaurants, and never siya naging kuripot, ever. So, yun, lumaki ako ng ganun. Hindi ako rin makuripot sa sarili ko. Especially when I started to hold my money. Hindi ako makuripot sa sarili ko. And then of course, for the people that I love also, my language of love is giving. So, malakas sa loob ko kasi alam ko, hanggat kaya ko, babalik at babalik ang pera kung talaga magtatrabaho ka. You can't just sit down and wait for money. Not the type. It's never the type. I've been working since I was 14. Actually, probably even younger than that. Kasi earlier on, na-realize ko na kapag kahit pangit yung boses ko, pag kumanta ako, kasama ko yung mga singing cooks and waiters sa restaurant, pwede akong kumita ng pera. Yung sister ko, siya naman yung nagkakahera. She likes it, and she'd sometimes bust out food and what for fun when we were young in the States, because we grew up in a restaurant. And we would earn tips and stuff like that. It was fun. And so earlier on, my mom taught, or my dad especially, taught me that you can, you have your unique set of skills as a human being. And it's up to you paano mo ipalago yung buhay mo. And so, that's why earlier I said that I want to really work till I'm 50. Not because I'm not okay, but because I still want a lot of things, and I still have goals, not just for myself, but I may not have children, but I have a family, like I have the 2 kids of cheese. I definitely want to leave something behind for them, and I don't believe in just leaving, like a name. Never believed in that. Dime a dozen yung mga sikat. I believe in something like solid, like the investments in my hard work. I want to leave that to them. So yeah. And also, madami akong mga shopping na kailangan kong panagutan. So, if may mga gusto ko, then I work hard for it. Ganun lang yun. And basta the main goal is to just be very, very healthy. Like, you have to be very healthy, because as long as you have health, you can do anything. You can reach for the stars. You can earn. You can work hard. Mabibili mo yung luho mo. Mabibili mo yung mga kailangan mong bilhin for your old age. So, yun.